If you love hosting outdoor dinner parties but don't love when the bugs join you for it, stick around because today we are making these DIY floating candle bug repellent centerpieces. Hi guys, it's Elizabeth the Spa Room, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this fun and beautiful DIY using no harsh chemicals, only fresh herbs, fresh citrus, and of course, essential oils. These will keep your next outdoor dinner party mosquito-free and looking beautiful. And if this is your first time to our channel, welcome. We're an aromatherapy brand that shares how-tos and DIYs, so hit that subscribe button to be notified of our next video. Let's get started. Here is what you'll need. 3 to 6 sprigs of fresh lavender and rosemary, a lemon, lemongrass essential oil, 3 glass vases or mason jars, floating candles, and water. Both lavender and rosemary not only look and smell beautiful, but actually help to keep bugs away. Lemon is bright and uplifting, it's perfect for summer, and yep, you guessed it, great at repelling bugs. Next, you'll fill your glass vases 3/4 of the way full with water and start to submerge your fresh herbs, placing 1 to 3 sprigs of rosemary and lavender in each vase. And now it's time for the star ingredient, lemongrass essential oil. Bugs stand no chance when you use this oil because it acts similar to citronella and actually contains bug-repelling molecules. You'll add around 10 drops to each vase. Add in your lemon slices on top and then your floating candles, style on your table, and light. The heat from the candle will actually disperse the fragrance and the powers of the herbs and the essential oil, keeping your outdoor dinner party bug-free. If you want to keep in touch with us at Spa Room and learn more about our DIYs and our aromatherapy products, make sure to join our newsletter, follow us on socials, and leave a comment.